All right, so now that you've done converted all these text to path, you should see no text. You should say path, path, path. All right. Um, and one thing you can do is now you can adjust the name by just clicking and dragging. You can't adjust the text anymore. Notice you don't see the text options here. You can't change the font anymore. But now it allows you to align things better. So you can do like select all of this, click and drag around everything, and hit this button here. This is a center align tool, and it gets everything aligned. Boom. Now it's all nicely aligned. Another thing you can do is add any kind of like if you want to add a decoration, for example, a star from up here, you can click and drag a little star, move it inside here. Uh, you can either leave it there and it'll etch it out, or if you want to cut it out, you can make it into a red line, as we usually do. All right, and if you want, you can make another one by just clicking it, holding down Alt, and dragging it to the other side, and that'll make another cool little decoration. All right, now we're gonna put our base. All right, so to make our base, we're gonna make a shape. So we need a rectangle. So you go up here, click on the rectangle, or you can hit the letter R. And now what I want you to do is click on the line and click on the line and just make a rectangle. Just make a rectangle. And as long as it's touching it, that's what's important. We're going to change the numbers here. So we're going to change it from whatever it is to 3. And then for the height, we're going to change it to 0.116. You're going to need these numbers another time. So hit enter, and notice it does here. So now what we need to do is align this, align the center. So, because this is going to go into the base, into the slot that keeps it standing up. So what I want you to do is click and drag like so. So you're selecting this line and this new rectangle. Now you're going to come up here to the top and say create compound shape using this little icon. Boom. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Don't do that. First you have to align center. Align it so that it's nicely aligned using this button. While these two are selected, now you can hit create compound shape. And boom, we have our perfectly centered shape here. All right, we're almost done. Now we just need to create the base. So to create the base, you just click and drag a rectangle. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. It doesn't have to be aligned to this, but it does have to be red line because this will be getting cut out. So as always, we get rid of the fill right here on the trash. Give it a border by clicking the plus sign and changing it from black to red. All right. You can leave it like that, or you can curve it by clicking it and then changing the corner here. Boom, now it has a nice curved corner. All right, almost done. Now we just need one last little rectangle in here. So just put it inside anywhere, and then we're going to change the numbers here from 3, or from whatever it is to 3. You can hit tab to go to the next one, or you can just click on height, and you're going to type 0.116, and then you're going to hit enter. All right, now we got to, first we should, yeah, let's align it. So I'm going to click and drag and select both of these. And now I'm going to align it with align center here on the top right, and align middle here. So boom, it's right in the middle. Okay, but now we have to make this into a red line. As you know, you get rid of the infill with the trash, hit the plus sign for borders, change it from black to red, and you're done actually. Okay, so once you're done here, all you got to do is just go to export PDF, save it there, and then send me that PDF, okay, as an email to me, okay, and then I'll laser cut it, and it will be get distributed the following day. So congratulations. You can text me or call me or Slack me if you have any questions, and have a good week. And you guys are awesome. Keep it up.